Cerise here, and for today's video we have a Stylevana unboxing video for you guys. Now I am super excited to unbox this because this is Asian skincare. So Stylevana is a website. It's your one-stop shop to all like different Asian skincare items. So I have no idea what's in this. On the website you can buy a multiple of Asian brands. It just all specifies in skincare and making yourself be the most beautiful you that you can be. So they have sent me this mystery box. I have no idea what's inside. I am so excited to see. So I'm excited to see what's in here. I need to get some scissors. Ouch! My little trusty rusty drawers. So we can open it up and see what's inside. I'm so excited! I love unboxing stuff and I have no idea what's inside. It just makes me so happy. And thank you so much, Stylevana, for sending this to me. Like, I'm so grateful. Like, whenever someone takes a chance and sends me something, it's just so awesome. And I love showcasing off these amazing products on my channel and showing if I even like them or not. So let's go ahead and see this. And if you guys want individual reviews on any of this, let me know in the comments down below and I'll get to it. All right. There seems like there's a lot in here. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is a lot. Wow. Okay, so let's open this up. All right, what have we got? All right, let's pull this big boy out. What is this? A daily serum trial kit from Unique. It is a daily serum trial kit. Using the dropper, gently apply an appropriate amount into your face and let it absorb. So I'm just trying to think. If we open this up, we can see what it actually is. Again, I need my little scissors. Oh my gosh, this is like Christmas because skincare is just, oh, I'm having a huge problem with breakouts under my fringe at the minute. I think because of like, you know, my fringe is hiding it, so it's okay. But woo! All right, what have we got in here? Yeah, your skin knows natural ingredients first. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm excited. So what have we got here? We've got a tea tree relief serum, a rose galactomyx synergy serum, and a vitamin synergy serum. That looks like that's going to be freaking amazing. And that's a lot of product as well. That's a lot of product. And the cute little dropper inside. These are adorable. Oh my gosh. So those are just going to help my skin be the best skin it can be, I suppose. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. So we've got that. We want to showcase this. Let's put her there. All right, and we've got that one there. And then we've got, what is this? A water sunblock, Hyaluron water sunblock. Yes, because legitimately sunblock is one of the things that you should use as your everyday wear for everything. There is no joke about the sun. The sun and the UV rays is very dangerous, so wearing sunblock, any sunscreen related items, oh, chef's kiss, bring it to me. So this is what, oh my god, it's so cute. That is so adorable, the little, oh my god, water sunblock. Oh, I wonder what it smells like. Oh, and it has like a screw cap. Okay, so here we, oh, wee! I love sunscreen. It smells so good. Oh my god, that's so soft. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it doesn't even smell like, oh my god. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I'm super excited for that as well. Oh my god, there's so much in here. What the hell? All right, let's pull this one out. So this is an aloe bar skin toner. Aloe bar skin toner is tested under dermatological control. This toner contains aloe barbadensis leaf water, aloe barbadensis leaf extract, and aloe barbadensis, I'm probably pronouncing this all wrong, leaf juice. Oh, I love this biodegradable packaging. You can just tell when you feel biodegradable packaging that it's biodegradable. That's freaking awesome. Yeah, it's all recyclable. This is from Korea as well. Let's open her up and have it. Oh, this, why is this so beautiful to look at? Like this, just, hi, look at this. Stunning, beautiful, like, oh, it looks so good. So it's designed for daily use. It's got snail secretion filtrate. You know that I'm going to want to be using this. This is freaking awesome. Yes. Oh my god, I am overwhelmed. This is a lot of stuff in here. This is really cool. All right, and then what do we have here? This is the it's probably Abafa 30 Days Miracle Travel Kit. Oh, okay. So it's got a toner, a serum, and a cream. So, oh, and hashtag for my sensitive skin, hashtag calm gently, hashtag miracle routine. Miracle routine will put your skin worries to sleep. I've been having worries. Oh, this will be really good. This will be a good thing to try. That's going to be a long ass video, but guys, I'll do it. I'll do it if you guys want me to. All right, let's open her up and see. It really lasts 30 days. Oh my gosh. I feel like that's like a lot. Oh my God. It's very cute though. I love it. I love it. It's so, why is all this stuff so like aesthetically pleasing to look at? It's so nice. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh, we need it. There we go. She's front center. And then we've got a Restore Sheet Mask, Skin Relief Facial Mask, Soothing and Softening, Centella is Asiatica Extract for all skin types. I'm sorry, I'm butchering all of the pronunciations. I do apologize, but I'm excited to try this. It says you leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. It restores your face. My skin's going to be glowing in there for the rest of my life now because this is a lot of stuff as well. And I feel like I'm going to take a while to get through this. This is freaking awesome. All right, then we've got Vitamin Eye Cream for eye and face. I'm really excited to do this. This is the same brand as this one as well. I'm really on that. Is that? No, that's Benton, Sun by Me, VT. And then this is E-Nature. Okay, so they have got the different brands. So I'm excited to try this eye cream because I've been having a problem with an eye cream and I've been using it every time I do my eyes swell. So it's not ideal. So I'm excited to try something like this that is going to work because, bitch, I'm getting old. So it needs some eye cream in here. So I'm really excited for this eye and face vitamin cream. Oh, I just want to like, I should break all these safety seals. Ooh. This is all really nicely packaged as well. So when you buy from the website, everything's got safety seals and everything like that. So it's really well packaged and international shipping, you cannot go wrong. All right, and then this is the Propolis Vitamin Eye Cream for eye and face. Oh, and she's got a little seal here. I might rip you open, honey. Let's do a little bit. Oh, I need to do my other hand because I already put sunscreen on there. So I'm excited. This is made in Korea as well. Oh, do they have a smell? Oh, that feels so soft. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. There's no smell, but oh, my hand feels so hydrated. Like, look at that shine. Look at that. Oh, you guys can literally see where I put that on my hand. That is, I'm excited. My skin's gonna have the biggest glow up of the century. I'm so freaking excited. All right, and then we've got that there. And then we've got our last item, which is the Save Me Relief Moisture Cream. So only 12 ingredients, pH 5.5, but with a moisturizing effect. Make Prem. So here we go. So I love how it's actually got all the different languages, but it still has an English side as well. So that means I can read it because I don't know other languages. I would love to learn other languages, but learning languages is such a skilled talent and it takes a lot of dedication. So everyone that knows multiple languages, clap, clap, clap. Amazing. You guys are amazing. And oh, I adore you guys. So this is a low irritant product made of ingredients derived from plants for sensitive skin, moisturizing cream that helps soothe itching caused by skin dryness. How to use it. The last step of skincare routine, evenly apply an appropriate amount on the face. So this isn't a moisturizer. This is like at the end of all your serums, of all your eye creams and everything like that. So yeah. Wow. That was a lot to unbox. That was a lot to unpack. This is a lot of really cool stuff. Thank you so much, Stylevana, for sending this to me, for believing in me. This stuff is freaking awesome. There's all these different brands that I can try. And if I want to buy some more, you can go onto the website and the link down below. And you guys can get yourself some of this stuff as well. Also, if you guys want individual videos, I'm definitely going to be using all of this stuff. This is a huge different array. Like there's moisturizers, there's serums, there's toners, there's eye creams. This is a really, really awesome like bundle I've received. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much. This is so awesome. I cannot wait to get my hands on it. For everyone watching though, let me know in the comments down below what's the thing that you want me to try the most. Like is it our eye cream? Is it our toner? The water sunblock? The moisturizer cream? Is it this cute as sheet mask? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But until next time, I love you guys so much and I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if my skin's gonna look better. This is my skin now. It's gonna look better. I don't know. Let me know. But until next time, I love you guys so much and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.